Back at the Firework Superstore. It is March 9th. Taking a look at what he's starting to put together and gearing up for the coming 4th of July. I mean, I'm sure he's gotten quite a bit in for the new season. $5.50 on this pallet. Some good stuff hidden in there. And I am about to dive into the 500 grams. 1,500, yeah, on this pallet here. All kinds of good stuff. Oh, looks like some double plays there. And this is a 2-inch NOAB, and he's got it at $60. And there's two raccoon NOABs that I've had my eye on for like 2 or 3 years, but he's got them at 90. I keep hoping I come in here one of these times and he's got them down to about $60 because I'd totally get them then. I think one of them's poker run. I think it's like a silver Nishiki effect on that. It looked pretty cool in the video. But as it is, it's still 90, so that's still a no for me. But anyhow, here we go. Getting into some Doremi. 42. 50. 90. 50. 43. 35. 50. 35. Got 50 here. 40. 44. 44. 30. 'Defender of Peace, 9 shots, 46. 44. 42, 30, 40, 40, 45, 45, got, what was that, 36 on Joker, Crazy Joker. 47, 46, 38, 40. That was a nice price. 2-inch NOAB. 43. And let's take a look here. That's probably it on the Doremi. Alrighty, very good. Let's jump into some Pyro box. This is 30. 44. No, I think I did get these last time I was here. I was thinking I did not, but being back in this aisle, it is making me think that I did. 85, $75. Red Rhino, yeah, I was definitely in this aisle. So I think rather than go through all these, you can go through my videos from I think back in October. Looks like all the same stuff, same prices. It's still looking at this point like if you want to get anything cheaper, you will have to go through what he has in the discount section. Looks like he out here in the main stuff, he's for the most part keeping everything the same for another season. So that's that. I will get some Dominator and Dominator's off brands here. 30, 38, 47, 50, 23. Some Top Gun, 30, 35, 40, 40. Got 43, 35, 35, 45. What we got here? 35, 50, 60, 25. Hot Pink Bomb is 90, 35, 18, 44, 45, 27, 30 on these Power Packed cakes. 47, 40, 130, 17, 100 shots on this one. It is 70, 45, 45, 45, 58, 40, got 60, 50, 50, 100 on this guy. 47. This one here is 110. Snag my empty cart. $40, 60, 23, got 50 on high riser, 33, got 25 shot fan color falling leaves waterfall. Dominator Pro is for 55, 45, 50, 50, 36, 38. Got the Mammoth cakes. Got 50. 60 on the Mammoth crackle. 35. 60. We got Mammoth red strobe is 50. All these guys 50. 60. 50 on the white strobe. 50 on this one. Disappointing. Let's see. 36. 50. 90. And 50.